Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and I just wanted to say a big thank you. I don't know if you noticed, we just crossed recently the 20,000 subscriber mark. It was a goal that I set for 2017, and we hit it. We just made it December 30th. When I started this channel, I never imagined I'd have so many subscribers. I was so happy to just get 100 subscribers, to be honest. And then when I hit 1,000, 5,000, obviously 10,000 was a big milestone, but really 20,000, I'm just mind is blown. But I really have so many things planned for this channel. I have a lot of things I want to bring to this channel. Hopefully 2018 will be even better and will grow even faster because I've got some great content on the way. So kicking off 2018, I will be covering CES 2018 here in Las Vegas, and I'm looking forward to it. There's a lot of things that I want to see, especially the Dell XPS 13, all new redesign in Alpine White, as well as the traditional silver that we've been seeing. I just reviewed, as you know, the Dell XPS 13, the last model, because it really just came out literally a few months ago, and here we are with an all new redesign. And I think it needed a redesign. As I stated in that video, I thought the Dell XPS 13 has gotten a little bit long in the tooth in terms of design, so it was bound to get a redesign, and I hope to get some good hands-on time with it at the Dell Experience at Venetian here in Las Vegas. So I am planning to go that. I was invited to that. So stay tuned. I will hopefully have some good video of that hands-on time with the Dell XPS 13 coming very soon. So stay tuned for that. I'm also going to go see the press conference from Sony, see what they have to offer. I'm going to LG. I'm going to get a booth tour as well. So I'll see what they're offering in terms of smartphones, as far as televisions and the like. So LG is really good in that department, especially in those OLED TVs. I actually have one, a 65-inch, and I love it. Now I'm also going to go to Samsung, and I obviously will also check out everything everybody else has to offer, especially Huawei, and I will go to Xiaomi as long as they're there. I don't know, I haven't confirmed that they're actually going to be there yet. Hopefully they will. I know Chewy will be there and will be announcing some new devices as well. I hope to get some hands-on time with the upcoming core book that they've started, that Indiegogo campaign. And I'm hoping to get a review unit as well. I'll have to be talking to them. I have a meeting set up with Chewy. So stay tuned for that. So a lot of exciting things here on the channel. 20,000 subscriber mark. I couldn't be happier. I'm happy with the direction the channel's going in. But of course, I want to listen to your feedback. That's what's been guiding this channel. You've been really giving me some very good feedback, both positive and negative. So I've been taking that obviously to heart. Now, let me know in that comment section below, as I always say in the video, let me know in that comment section below if there's anything you think I need to improve. Let me know how I'm doing. If there's a device you think I should review, I want to know about it, because you're really why I do this. And obviously, I'm not doing this for the money. I'm not doing this I really do it because I love it. And I hope it comes through. And I'm looking forward to 2018, bringing you all the excellent stuff that I think is going to be coming out. I think this is going to be a great year for technology. I think for devices in general, laptops, smartphones, tablets. We'll see. We'll see all the new offerings that they have. CES coverage will begin next week, so stay tuned for that. Again, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Please share this video. Again, a lot of exciting things on the way. You don't want to miss it. Check me out on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram, and of course our website, amdtechreviews.com. So until next time, this is Andrew from AMD Tech. See ya.